Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to remove anything from the background of your image with PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on AI Removal, choose your image, and then the easiest way is to click on Object and wait a few seconds until it recognizes each object in your image, and then you can choose which ones you would like to make disappear. Here I will choose the cup and click on remove. We have to wait a little bit and then it is successfully removed. Hope you liked the video and see you next time.